Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Here's a sum of whatever I have explained so far in this topic. Solvent is a substance that dissolves a solute. Solute is a substance that is dissolved in a solvent. Solution is a mixture of one or more solutes dissolved in a solvent. Saturated solution is a solution containing the maximum concentration of a solute dissolved in the solvent at a specified temperature. Unsaturated solution is a solution containing the minimum concentration of a solute dissolved in the solvent at a specified temperature. Residue is a substance that remains after evaporation, distillation, filtration, or any similar process. Filtration is used to separate insoluble solid, that's residue, from a solution. Filtrate is a liquid or solution that has passed through a filter. Different solutes differ in solubility in different solvents. Dissolving means to dissolve the solute in a given solvent. When a given solute or solid is soluble in water, we use the term aqueous. Filtration is done to remove insoluble solid, that is residue, from a solution. Evaporation is done through gentle heating. The reappearance of solid particles from a solution in the form of crystals is called crystallization. Simple distillation is used to separate a pure liquid from solution. Fractional distillation is used to separate a mixture of miscible liquids. Theory or separation is based on the difference in the boiling points of different liquids. Chromatography is used to identify colored substances like dyes, pigments, flavors, etc. Chromatography relies on the relative solubilities attraction of the components in the or for the solvent or chromatography paper. In chromatography, colorless substances need locating agents. Here's the learning outcomes of this lesson. Identify substances and assess their purity using melting point and boiling point information. Suggest suitable separation and purification techniques given information about the substances involved. Let's talk about a pure substance. Remember that a pure substance always has a fixed melting and boiling point. For example, boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade. No matter where the water is coming from, if it is pure, then it must have fixed boiling point, and that is 100 degrees centigrade. It means that anything pure must have fixed melting and boiling point. Let's complete the application boxes for the following techniques or methods. I will start with the filtration. Filtration uses separating insoluble salts from soluble salt. Separating insoluble salts from soluble salts. Evaporation, separating a soluble solid. Separating a soluble solid. Crystallization, separating a solid by cooling either its solution or molten liquid. Separating a solid by cooling either its solution or molten liquid. Or molten means liquid. Let me write liquid here. Simple distillation, separating a liquid from a solution. Separating a liquid from a solution. Fraction distillation, separating a mixture of miscible liquids. Sublimation, separating substances that sublimes on heating. Separating a substance that sublimes on heating. Chromatography, separating a mixture of colors. Separating a mixture of colors like dyes, pigments, food colors, etc. Here are few CI questions from past paper. Let me read the question for you. Question number 1, the crystals are dissolved in water. State 2 ways of making the crystals dissolve as quickly as possible. Question number 2, plant leaves contain a mixture of colored substances. Plan an experiment to find the RF values of the colored substances present in plant leaves. Your plan should describe the use of common laboratory apparatus, plant leaves, sand, ethanol as a solvent, and absorbent paper. You may draw a diagram to help answer the question. Last, air contains a mixture of gases, including the noble gases, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. State why fraction distillation can be used to separate a liquid mixture of neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. Thanks for watching. Please click like, give comments, and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.